Hi everyone. Today we will discuss factoring trinomial. This is our second lesson. In another video clip, we discussed factoring trinomials already with this form: x squared plus or minus something form, right? In this case, we have only 1x squared. But today we will discuss some trinomial starting with a number other than 1, like 2x squared something, or 3x squared, 5x squared, 6x squared something. So compared to this one, if your leading coefficient is greater than 1, we must think a little bit more, right? Because there is some more combination of numbers. So first, multiplication. When you have x plus 3 times 2x plus 5, yes, you can use FOIL method to multiply this one. 2 times x times 2x, or 2x squared. This is 5x, this is 6x. Now sum is 11x. 3 times 5, 3 times 5, or 15 here, right? This is a multiplication. We already understand this one. Today, we will try to find the factorial result from the polynomial. In this case, 2x squared plus 11x plus 15, right? Here, I copied 2x squared plus 11x plus 15 here. Now, we must find two terms whose product is 2x squared. And we must find the two numbers whose product is 15. In this case, I copied just the final result, 3 and 5, because by mental math, please cross multiply here, 6x, here, 5x, now sum is 11x, right? But at first, this is not easy to find the correct combination at your first trial. So please understand, this is quite natural things to find this set of numbers by trial and error. I will show you my trial and error. For example, I will start with 1 and 15, because 1 times 15 is 15. Now, by mental math, please cross multiply 15x, 2x. With 15x and 2x, if I say number only, with 2 and 15, is it possible to make a 11? Not possible, right? So I will erase this one. I will show you another trial and error. If you choose 5 and 3 by mental math, one cross multiplication is 3, another one is 10. So note that 10 and 3 cannot make 11 by adding or subtracting. So this is not good choice. Then last one is 15 and 1. By cross multiply, you have 1 and 30. With 1 and 30, again, it is not possible to make 11x. That's why we have only one choice, 3 and 5. Okay? And when you write your answer, this is your first factor, x plus 3. And this is your second factor, 2x plus 5. Is okay? Now, we will practice some example. If you have 2x squared, relatively this is fortunate things because we have only x and 2x, right? Okay, so fix the left side, I mean the 2x squared part, and think of the number. Again, I will show you all of my trial and error, 1 and 15. Now I will do mental math with all positive number, 2x, 15x. With 2x and 15x, it is not possible to make a 1x, right? So 1 and 15 is not good choice. Now next one is 3 and 5. Wow, this is a 6x, this is a 5x. I need a positive 1x. And good news is this is negative 15, which means out of 3 and 5, one number must be negative. To make a positive 1x, this must be negative 5x, which means this must be negative 5. Is that okay? Do you understand this whole process? So your factoring result, first row, x plus 3, 2x minus 5. Okay? Now next one, we need a little bit more time because the first reading coefficient 6 has a 1 and 6 or 2 and 3, right? So more possibility. Again, trial and error. This is the only method in to solve or to factor the polynomial. So we must check one by one. Now I will copy just 1 and 6 instead of 1x and 6x for simplicity. Now please cross multiply 6 and 6. With 6 and 6, 13 is not possible. Now I will choose 2 and 3. Now again do mental math. 3 and 12, not possible for to make a 13. Then how about 3 and 2? 18 and 2. 18 and 2. 13 is not possible. Now 6 and 1. 36 and 1. 13 is not possible. Okay, which means the first 1 and 6 is not a good choice, right? So I will erase this part and I will start with 2 and 3. Again, I will start with 1 and 6. Now cross multiply 12, 3. It is not possible to make a 13 with 12 and 3, right? So next choice, 2 and 3. Cross multiply 6 and 6. Wow, with the 6 and 6 by adding or subtracting, 13 is possible? Not possible. So next choice, 3 and 2. Now 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4. What? Here, wow, this is a 9, this is the 4. Now by adding we can make a 13 here, right? So we found the correct combination. The first one, 2 and 3. Although we have a 2 and 3, please note that first one is 2x plus 3. Second one here, 3x plus 2. Is that okay? Okay, two more questions. Wow, much big number. I will show you all possibility. 1 and 10, 1 and 12. Now cross multiply 10 and 12. 19 is not possible. 2, 6, 26. 19 is not possible. 3 and 4. 34. 19 is not possible. How about 4, 3? 40 and 3, not possible. 6, 2, 62, 19 cannot be made. 12, 1, 121, 19 is not possible. Which means 1 and 10 is not good choice, right? So next trial is 2 and 5. let me repeat all of this process one more time. 1 and 12, then 24, 5. Oh, wait a minute. 24, 5. I think this is possible. This is 5. This is 24. This is negative 12. Now, one number must be negative, but some must be positive 19, right? So you can make this one is negative. Then this is a negative 5. Now, negative 5 plus 24 is a 19, right? 19 is here. So we have the two factors. The first factor, 2 and negative 1, which means 2x minus 1. Second factor, 5, 12. So 5x plus 12. Okay? Okay, last one. Before proceeding our trinomial factoring, please note that the coefficient 10, 5, 30 multiple by 5, right? Always remember that in factoring, finding G-shape must be your first job. So before applying the trinomial, you can factor out 5 first. Then you have a 2x squared plus 1x minus 6. Then inside the parentheses, starting with the 2x squared, that is much easier to handle, right? How? 1 and 2, 1 and 6, 2 and 6, not possible. Then 2 and 3, this is a 4, this is a 3. Wow, we can make a 1x by changing this one as a negative, right? So 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6, and this is negative 3. Now sum is 1, so 1 is here, 1x, right? So don't forget the 5. And next factor, 1 and 2, which means x plus 2. Next factor, 2 and negative 3, which means 2x minus 3. Okay, so please understand in factoring of trinomials, trial and error is necessary. Nobody can find the final answer directly without practice. So practice more. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.